notifications for my weekly Being Black episodes and my weekly hair, skin, life update, apartment-esque videos. Today we're going to be talking about how I do my edges, and if you're interested, let's get into it. So today we're going to be using 3 different things. First, we're going to be using Eco Gel. I have the olive oil infused one. We're going to be using an edge brush, one side with a brush and the other side with a comb. This one's actually from Don't Touch My Curls, which I'll talk a little bit about. And last but not least, Shine and Jam Conditioning Gel. We're going to take off our bonnet, which is also from Don't Touch My Curls, stretch out our hair. Today I'm actually doing my edges because I'm going to be having a slicked back bun as opposed to having my hair out. So we're going to put our hair back into a loose ponytail. And the first step is a little bit weird, but we're going to use the comb side of the edge brush and actually comb our edges forward. Combing my edges forward just helps me identify where my edges actually are. So then once I actually start, it's much easier for me to slick them down. Next step is completely optional, but then I decide to brush my edges down. I normally try to brush them in the way that I'm going to end up styling them, and this just helps me. Now we're going to go in with the Eco Gel. I personally like the olive oil infused one better, but I'm sure that you can use any other type of Eco Gel. And I really only use the Eco Gel not necessarily to keep them in place, but just to style them initially. Now that we put the Eco Gel on our edges, we're just going to begin to style them. Today I'm doing a much more dramatic edge look because I'm going to be doing a slick back bun, so you'll be able to see them more often. When I have my hair curly and out, I normally do a much more low end type look just to ensure that they're slicked down. I decided to spare you guys on me styling the other side, but this is what it ended up looking after just using the Eco Gel, and I am going to use the Shine and Jam Conditioning Gel to actually hold down my edges. This gives me a really good hold, and it doesn't flake either, which I deeply appreciate. After I put the Shine and Jam on my edges, I then just brush it in the direction that I already had them. Be careful not to mess them up. I actually did mess them up a little bit when I went back over them, but again, if you just brush them down and you already have them styled, it's much easier to do it this way. And this is the finished look. Please like and comment if you want me to do a video on how I decided to do my slick back ponytail. I always do them and I think it's a really cute look to do, so let me know in the comments. That is all for this video. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. See you next time. Bye.